Welcome to today's episode of Tech Toolbox, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of software and its configurations. Today, we're exploring the ML4W Dotfiles for Hyprland, one of the most advanced configurations for the dynamic tiling window manager Hyprland. Now, if you're wondering what that all means, don't worry. We'll break it down for you, step by step. First off, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Hyprland? Well, think of it as a powerful, customizable way to manage your windows on your computer. Instead of the traditional desktop setup where you have lots of overlapping windows, Hyprland lets you tile your windows dynamically. It's like arranging your photos in a slick grid instead of stacking them haphazardly on a pile. Pretty neat, right? Now, the ML4W Dotfiles take this concept a step further. They provide an advanced and full-featured configuration that simplifies the process of setting up and customizing your Hyprland environment. You have to consider this. For those who might feel intimidated by manual configurations, these dot files act like a straightforward manual guiding you through the installation and customization process. Imagine putting together IKEA furniture, but instead of going through pages of instructions, you have a reliable friend who can guide you. Speaking of installations, did you know this tool comes with an easy-to-use installation script for Arch and Fedora-based Linux distributions? This means you don't have to dig through complex command lines and outdated documentation. It's all about making your life easier while you harness the power of your operating system. I can picture someone, perhaps a busy software engineer, wanting to set up their environment quickly without the hassle. Well, the ML4W Dotfiles are like having a personal assistant for your setup. Now let's get to the real meat of the discussion: configuration. The ML4W Dotfiles include various settings that can significantly enhance productivity. For instance, they allow you to customize keyboard shortcuts. Have you ever felt frustrated using a mouse to navigate when you could quickly switch between apps with just a keystroke? It's like playing the piano. Once you know your keys, you can maneuver effortlessly. But here's an interesting thought. How much of our productivity is lost in the little things, like switching windows or managing multiple applications? With such a powerful tool at your fingertips, you're not just customizing, you're optimizing your workflow. Let's pause for a moment and think. For those listening who might not be coders or heavy tech users, would you find tools like this helpful in your daily computer use? What if managing your windows could save you even a few extra seconds each day? It might not sound like much, but over a week or a month, those seconds add up. As we wrap up this exploration of ML4W Dotfiles for Hyprland, here's one key takeaway. These configurations are not just for tech enthusiasts. They're tools for anyone looking to streamline their digital experience, making their workflow smoother and more efficient. So I encourage you to check it out. Whether you're a Linux newbie or a seasoned pro, there's something in it for you. And who knows, you might discover a love for customizing that you never knew you had. Thanks for tuning in today to Tech Toolbox. Remember, the more you explore, the more empowered you become with your technology. Until next time, happy tinkering.